Okay, how's it going, Cole? Sorry, let me just pause this. Okay, so I just want to go over like terms a bit more. You're saying, yeah, we'll just go over a few. I think what I didn't explain enough is what a like term is. So forgive me for that. So a like term is anything that has the same variable, so letter, or a lack of a variable, like these two. And you'll add them together, put them together. So for this one, we have 3 different like terms in 17, and I'll just kind of highlight them different colors. Oops. So these 2 are going to be red, so that's one set of like terms. And these 2, and they just happen to be beside each other, it's just the way I wrote it. Those 2 are like terms. We'll make them green. And then these 2 are like terms. So when that's why it's like terms and simplifying. You kind of hear me say both those things. Because those are like terms, and then you simplify them by adding them together so you don't have a big equation. So we're going to just add these all together right below there, and then put it all as 1. So we have 5. Get this back normal. We have 5t take away 3t. You could also write this as negative 3t. So it's negative because that kind of hitchhikes along to the right of it. So that positive goes to the right of it. That negative goes to the right of it. That positive goes to the right of it, etc., etc. And if there's nothing there, then we're going to assume that it is that it's a positive. So we could do 3t plus 5t. And we're going to get the same answer. It doesn't matter which order you put it in, whichever is easiest for you, and we end up with 2t. So that's one part of it. All right, the second part, the next part, we have the 2 green ones. 8, positive 8 plus take away 6. So 8 take away 6. And that will equal 2, positive 2. So remember, if we don't write anything, then it's a positive. It might end up a negative. And then the last one we have b. So if a b is by itself, it's the same as 1b. So 1b plus 2b. 1b plus 2b. And that is going to be 3b. These are all positives, so we can just put them as one equation. So when we put it all together, I'm just going to do it in this order, starting with this one. 2t plus 2 plus 3b. That right there is your answer. If it came out somewhere negative, let's say this is negative 2 or negative plus, you just write this as negative 2 or anything like that. That is kind of the way you do that one. Let's do one more together. So find the like terms. You have to identify the like terms. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is add those like terms together or subtract them from each other, whichever it is, and then put them together. So you got to find out the like terms. I don't think I was clear on the like terms. So this next one, we've got only 2 different terms here. We've got t. Oops, we got t. I'll make them into red. And then we've got, oops, right here. So those are all one term, and I'll just leave these ones as 1. So we've got 2t, take away, well, t by itself is just 1t, but I'll write it out as 1t, plus 5t, take away 3t. So it's basically 1, take away 2, plus 5, take away 3. So we could go 2 take away 1 equals 1, plus 5 is 6, take away 3 is 3. So that all equals 3t. Next one we had 2 and 5, so 2 plus 5, and that's just straight up is just 7. And they're both positives, so when you write it out, it could be 3t plus 7, or, because order doesn't matter, 7 plus 3t. Either one of those would be correct. That's the same answer. Either one. Okay, I hope this helps.